Hello friends, this is your friend Rahul from techblogcono.com, and today in this video I am going to tell you how you can upgrade your Windows 10 into Windows 11 on your laptop. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So guys, Windows 11 has been in the market now and it is in the beta version. There is a requirement that your laptop needs to fulfill before upgrading from Windows 10 to Windows 11. But before that, let's have a look what Windows 11 has as the features. What are the new things Windows 11 has been sharing with us with the new version. So the thing that lot of people are talking about is the new design has been coming, and it will also help you to increase your productivity with the new snap layouts for desktop and new reckoning experience that is going to help you in the multitask. Okay, you can see in the right side the preview picture, and there is a better connectivity of Microsoft Teams as well. As you can see, they are claiming that you can call or chat for free no matter on which device you are. So it will be a great option or great alternative for Google Meet or Zoom. And the next part that Windows 11 is claiming is like they have multi widgets on your home screen, which is going to help you to get the information, news or entertainment in a single bracket. And you can see the new Microsoft Store as well in the new version of Windows 11. Now let's talk about the gaming part. This Windows 11 version is going to be very game changer for the gamers because they are going to help you with the new level of graphics capabilities. Next, new favorite games for Xbox Game Pass, and some of the games are high quality which needs membership uh, for that particular account. And this version is available to all the kind of devices, like whether it's a touch pen device, laptop or voice recognition laptop. Everybody able to use that particular Windows 11 version now. If you are looking for a new PC, then Microsoft has already given the list of websites where you can buy Windows 11 compatible PCs at these retailer sites: Best Buy, Amazon, Walmart and many more. And if you want to transfer to a new PC your all the data, then you can use OneDrive to transfer your old PC data to OneDrive. You can shop particular laptop based on your requirement and see whether they are compatible with Windows 11 or not. Once the Windows 11 will be launched, they will get the free upgrade. As you can see, Lenovo Yoga 9, Dell XP 13, 9310, these are the few versions, and there are many more based on the requirements. You can use the filters available. These are the minimum system requirements that your current laptop has to fulfill before upgrading to a new version of Windows 11. 4 GB RAM is required, 64 GB of storage is minimum requirement, and your laptop has to connect it with internet, and the resolution of the laptop should be at 720p. So to check the compatibility of your laptop or desktop, you can check official app from Microsoft with the name of PC Health Checkup. You can download this app from now by clicking on this download app button. Just click on save file. Once the application is downloaded on your system, just click on to install it, press OK. Check the box I accept all the terms of license agreement and click on install. You want to add the shortcuts on the desktop, click yes or no, whatever you want. I want to have the desktop shortcut, so I am going to say yes. Let's wait for the pop-up to come out for PC Health Checkup app, and let's see whether my laptop is compatible for Windows 11 free upgrade or not. So this is the dashboard. once the app has been launched. So you can see there is a blue button on the top with the name check now. Just click on it. So that's a great news for me that my laptop is eligible for free upgrade of Windows 11 when this is ready to launch for the public. So there is a rumor like they are going to launch the public beta version in July mid. So until then it is in the testing phase, but they have released the trailer how this is going to be look like on their official website. You can check the trailer. I'm going to share the link of that as well in the description of the video. There are a lot of questions that you have in your mind before installing or changing from Windows 10 to Windows 11. So they have already covered those questions, mostly covered those questions on their official page. So you can check the questions as per your requirement and the concerns you guys have in your mind. That might be helpful for you. They have official support as well. So that's all guys in this video, and I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my